In this step, we're going to assemble the top head and the buttons. So you'll notice that the buttons have these raised dots. This is just to signify and give you a tactile feedback as to which button you're pressing. So it is 1, 2, 3, and 4. This top curved surface is what forms the top head of Pico. You'll notice that it has an opening on the front side, and this is where the camera is going to slide in. Flip it over, take the button and place it so that this hole lines up with the center hole on this boss. Take the screw, push it right through. Take a washer, slide it over, followed by the M3 screw hex nut that you're going to screw down. Hold the nut in place and then tighten. And you can adjust the buttons just by twisting them a little to make sure they're centered. These buttons line up perfectly with buttons on the circuit inside the head. So when you press down on it, it actually presses a button on the circuit.